If you want to make a professional video for your business, but you're worried it costs too much time and money, stop worrying and celebrate. I've got a solution that's going to solve your worries coming right up. If you're in business, you may have thought about making a video or two because you have an important product to sell, something that's going to help someone out, right? But you've been putting off video production because it's too expensive, too time-consuming, or too complicated. Plus, you've got hundreds of deliveries to sort out, and let's face it, you just don't have time to make videos. What if I told you don't need any fancy equipment, no more long hours of shooting and script writing, no more cables and memory cards? Well, video production for business just got easier, and it involves mobile multi-camera video recording and editing. And just when you thought using one camera was enough, multi-camera video seems costly, complex, and risky, right? Wrong. It's the next revolution in professional-grade video production at a low budget, and it's a breeze. Introducing Cinemaker. It's a major game changer. It's ideal for businesses big and small, for the YouTube creator, the self-employed, or the shoestring entrepreneur, the startup, the martial artist or fitness studio, the mobile journalist, the stay-at-home chef, the local car dealership, or your local house of worship. And the list just goes on. Cinemaker has raised the bar in making videos. Thanks to its advanced video processing technology and its applications, it's much easier and more affordable because you can use mobile multi-camera video production setups that would otherwise require countless hours of planning and complexity. Impossible? Hardly. I tried it out myself and loved it, and so will you. Check out this video above. Cinemaker opens up the world of opportunity and enables you to adapt doing business and staying connected with the marketplace, especially in uncertain times. And it comes with some top-notch benefits. Cinemaker is an iPad-based video production console that makes it portable, fast, easy, fun, and affordable for anyone who wants to make professional-grade video. It merges multi-camera, mobile video recording and editing into a simple app enabling professional-level results while saving you countless hours of production and money. You'll even be surprised how easy it is to use with multiple iPhones. Yep, that's right. If you've ever tried editing video and hated it, well, I have another surprise for you. This tech does it all for you in real time while you record on multiple cameras. One big advantage of Cinemaker is you can live stream to YouTube, Facebook, and more. You can set it up in no time and easily broadcast multi-camera live video production. The social algorithms love it. It saves you countless hours of script writing and editing. The user interface is very intuitive, and it's suitable for beginners and pros alike. So what do you need to do to make videos with Cinemaker? You can get started with as little as an iPad and up to 4 iPhones to create some awesome video productions. You can also use digital cameras, camcorders, or professional cameras if you want, but it's not necessary, especially if you're on the move or need to shoot on the fly because your iPhones serve as your high-end cameras and audio recorders. Use a good Wi-Fi connection and you're good to go. So it's time to get Cinemaker. Go to getcinemaker.com/now and get rolling. Cinemaker consists of 2 easy-to-use apps, Cinemaker Director Pad and Cinemaker Capture. You can download the Director Pad app on your iPad and the Capture app on your iPhone. The Director app is where all the magic happens. It turns your iPad into a multi-camera live video switcher for recording video and audio for live streaming, and it works as well as a digital asset manager for editing professional-grade videos. All this at your fingertips. Cinemaker Capture is the iPhone companion app to the Director Pad. The name says it all. It allows you to connect and synchronize each iPhone for recording video with up to 8 audio connections. Preview live and remotely control all of your cameras, start and stop recordings, start and stop live streams, easily switch between cameras, mix audio, add media assets and graphics like brand logos and lower 2/3, live edit and render your videos in no time. You see, this technology breaks the norms and debunks all roadblocks when it comes to the perceived complexities, resources, and production costs associated with making videos. It's an efficient and cost-effective way to make video that stands out. As a video marketing professional, I'm convinced Cinemaker levels the playing field and makes it accessible to anyone who wants to produce professional quality videos. Check it out at getcinemaker.com/now. Download the app and start telling your story now. Share it with the world, make a difference. It's never been easier. I'm Tolis Dokianos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and look out for my next Cinemaker and video marketing tutorials.